What you doing, Munchkin? Sparrow. Is that your happy dance for Pooh? Yeah. Come back here, Sissy. There you go. Yeah. Yeah. You're so weird and so stinking cute. Boogie, are you excited to watch Pooh Bear? Sparrow? Yeah? Do you love Winnie the Pooh? Mm-hmm. Is it so exciting? Are you gonna get up and dance? Keep dancing. Do it again. Yeah. Silly bear cub. Hey, Dizzy? Hi, babe. Hey, baby. What are you doing? You're the greatest thing ever. What are you doing? Spin, spin, spin. What? Spin, spin, spin. Dance, dance, dance. Dance, dance, dance. Scoot back. You're too close to the TV, babe. Scoot back. Sparrow, come back by the couch some. Come on, honey. Over here with Mom. Sissy, come here. Come on, come on. Wow. Don't get too dizzy. You'll fall down again. Oh, pick up Miss Parton. She doesn't need to be on the floor. Sparrow. Back up. Boogie. Sparrow. You know better. Back up. Do I need to turn it off? Mom's going to get the clicker. Yeah. You know better. We don't stand right up on the... No, come back here. Pick up Miss Parton. Miss Parton's on the floor. That's sad. Get her and give her a good squeeze. You don't want to give her a good squeeze? Okay, I'll turn it back for you. Dance, dance, dance. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, Pooh Bear. Back up, Buggy. Are we going to have to do this all day? Sissy, back up. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Are you ready to settle down now and watch Pooh Bear with Mommy? Hmm? Snuggle up with Blanky. You want to come up here on the couch? Say, love you, Mama. No. Hang out in Leslie's chair. You gonna dance with Pooh now? Do your up downs? Do it. Do the Pooh Bear dance. No? Is that better? Do you have a better view from there?